Holy crap!
Holy crap! Snake leaps from porch light. Bites man in the face as he opens the door.
That's not funny. It's rude.
I seen like the still of it. I didn't watch it.
What's it say here? He opened the door. The snake attacked. Let's see what this.
How does he snake get up there? The hell is?
At your mailbox.
Doorbell camera.
Oh! What the hell?
Take me to the hospital.
I was expecting to spend his day. Can you imagine that?
That guy looks familiar.
The snake, however, was killed on the spot by a neighbor with a hammer. What you gonna kill the snake for? No stitches, thankfully, but they cleaned me up pretty good. Hayward told CNN, I'm on antibiotics. Well, thank God. Snake got his head smashed in, but you got some penicillin.
I'm never coming over to your house if I ever got killed by a snake. I'm not going back there.
That's an omen.